let us take a short journey inside NIFT. As the view reveals, the building and the futuristically designed infrastructure is spread over a sprawling campus of 56 acres, beautifully ensconced amidst greenery. Let us experience the academic ambience and see for ourselves the state-of-the-art laboratories and workshops which provide the input for the cutting-edge know-how that NIFTians possess. The administration is the nerve center of the activities, academic or developmental. Come the academic section of NIFT. The classrooms are the temples of learning, and it is here that the objective of knowledge dissemination is brought into fruition. The curricula is so designed and executed. It is executed in a way that students learn to balance the compulsions of life and sagacity of learning and wisdom. The Library and Documentation Center is one of the best libraries in the technical field. The vast reservoir of books, journals and periodicals is a source of constant value addition to the students and faculty. It has over 50,000 books, 6,000 bound volumes and 300 current periodicals in the field of foundry, forge, manufacturing, metallurgy and material sciences. The electric lab comprises of 5 HP DC motor, alternator, generator, induction motor, synchronous machine and transformer sets. Moving on to the electronic lab, which is equipped with function generator, oscilloscope and a host of trainer boards like discrete component trainer board, op-amp trainer board, logical gate trainer board, RC coupled transistor trainer board and basic theorem demonstrator trainer board. It also has 8085 microprocessor trainer board. The institute has a number of allied laboratories to strengthen the knowledge base of the students. Environmental pollution monitoring lab analyzes dust and gaseous impurities in the atmosphere. The instrumental analysis lab is equipped with polarograph, X-ray fluorescent analyzer, ultraviolet visible spectrograph, BOD incubator, visual spectrometer, silicon tester, spectrographic analyzer. Sand laboratory is an integral part of Foundry. The lab is equipped with facilities to execute GFN test, clay content test, permeability test, compression strength test, mold and core hardness test. It has a number of equipments like gas determinator, moldability measuring machine, sand strength tester, molding sand test specimen rammer and oven, hot strength measuring machine, and sieve shaker. The pilot foundry is equipped with pit-type resistance furnace for composite melting, centrifugal casting machine, crucible melting furnace, and heat treatment furnace. We are now entering the metallurgical department. The Department of Materials and Metallurgical Engineering has well-equipped laboratories like metallography, classical chemical analysis, spectrophotometry, non-destructive testing, X-ray diffractometry, induction heating, direct reading emission spectrometer, and image analyzer. Metrology lab is equipped with layout measuring cum marking machine, different comparators, profilometer, and FMS lab with robot and CNC machine integrated. The institute has centralized computer center equipped with a workstation, a novel NetWare-based LAN with 10 nodes, a Window NT based LAN with 10 nodes. Software available at the center include ProEngineer, Visual C++, AutoCAD, NISA 2, FEM Package, Oracle and WordPerfect. The CAD/CAM center has 4-axis Denford CNC milling machine, a compact AP250 workstation. Software available at the center includes MetaLab R12, MicroStation Modular SE, FEM AP7, CSA Nastran NAD, CSA Gensa, Esprit, MSc Mark 2004, MSc Mental 2004, MSc Patron 2004. A new computer center is under construction, and this will include 45 terminals and 24 hours internet connectivity for the progress and completion of project work of the students. Mechanical Testing Lab provides a way to support the various tests. It is equipped with universal testing machine of 50 tons and 10 tons, tensile testing machine, hardness testing machine like Brinell and Rockwell, fatigue testing machine, and impact testing machine. The sample preparation lab for metallographic testing has induction hardening equipment and metallographic microscope. As you can see the students preparing samples. The X-ray diffractometry lab contains X-ray diffractometer. There's also the X-ray diffraction lab, which has the thin film recorder. Apart from this, the institute has got a number of laboratories like the fuel lab, carbon sulfur lab, furnace and refractory lab, Quantovac lab with facilities of optical emission spectrometer and Quantovac, servo hydraulic lab, and non-destructive laboratory with cathode ray oscilloscope. The institute also has a ceramic lab. The objective is to augment research and development activities in the area of engineering ceramic and nanotechnology. The workshop is the nucleus of technical know-how. It has 6 shops: foundry, forge, pattern, machine, heat treatment, and welding. As the interactive session reveals, the students of NIFT are taught the trade and not just the tricks of the trade. Emphasis is on providing hands-on, application-based knowledge. The training prepares them to establish coordination between acquired knowledge and its application to industries. The foundry shop has mechanized sand preparation unit. It has facilities for hand molding and machine molding. The shop is equipped with melting furnaces like Cupola, having the melting capacity of 3 tons per hour. Coreless induction furnace, crucible furnace, molding tools and equipments, various patterns and core boxes. The shop also has shell molding machine, core shooter, pressure die casting machine. Welding shop has facilities for MIG welding, submerged arc welding, TIG welding, resistance and spot welding. The machine shop has copying milling machine, a number of turret lathe, horizontal and vertical shaper, horizontal milling machine, electrical discharge machine, centerless grinding machine, surface grinding machine, and tool grinder. The pattern shop is equipped with carpentry tools, marking and measuring tools, and cutting tools. It is also equipped with 5-axis pattern milling machine, disc, bobbin, wood planer, thicknesser, and tool grinder for pattern tools. Patterns are designed, developed, and manufactured by students during their project work. This is an overview of foundry, forge, and heat treatment shops. The forge shop has 750 kg drop hammer, 50 kg, 150 kg and 250 kg pneumatic hammer, 120-ton trimming press, 150-ton hydraulic press, billet heating rotary furnace, horizontal forging machine having 1-inch upset capacity, oil fire furnace and rolling mill. The heat treatment facilities include fluidized bed heat treating furnaces, muffle furnace and glow bar furnaces. This is an overview of the fully residential institute. The NIFT Niwas with all facilities is the institute's guest house. The 176-room BTech hostel majestically stands out. The MTech and ADC hostels are separate and self-sufficient in their own way. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities are encouraged, as a professional life cannot be devoid of social responsiveness. The presence of Students' Gymkhana Club, Rotaract Club and Spik Mackay add to the social, cultural and aesthetic luminescence. All India Youth Festival Jinx is organized annually. It is a 3-day mega event with a number of technical colleges participating. They participate in the medley of seminars and workshops are organized on a continuous basis to sharpen the knowledge, communication skills and leadership qualities of the students. The students of NIFT are successfully contributing their best to the positive growth of the companies in which they have been employed. NIFTians constitute a part of the workforce of companies like Tata Motors, Eicher Motors, Eaton, Bharat Forge, Hindalco, Hindustan Motors and many more. NIFT and NIFTians welcome you to their institute. We request you to avail for yourself the hospitality and recruit the budding technocrats for your prestigious company and thus be mutually benefited. Thank you.